Hey everyone, it's Nate Dog back with another used spotlight.
Alright, so for this week's video we have a 2012 Road King. Color is Midnight Pearl with 21,000 miles on this thing. So there's a lot done to this bike. Starting out with this chrome front end. Digital Speedo, which is pretty cool actually. Dakota Digital Speedo, along with factory security installed in this thing as well. You have cruise control, heated hand grips, along with the Klockwerks Windshield, fully detachable in the Windshield Bag. We also have the Nostalgia Flame timer cover and accessories, along with that nostalgic air cleaner cover. Upgraded footboards and brake pedal, along with the whole highway bar setup. Nice cross-stitch Corbin Seat. And you have the quick detached luggage rack. And the fishtail pipes on this thing. Moving over to the other side, got that matching derby cover over here, along with that chromed out shift linkage. And you have the nostalgic gas caps as well. So I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. Alright.